Don't be joking. I'm very nice. Ah, that is that. I don't have to do this. I don't have to do this master. I like. If I don't like you, I'm sorry. You are good life. Don't for my own is not. Who is
I welcome you all to this meeting of the independents and the leadership of the People's Democratic Party. I'd like to welcome to the headquarters of the Independent National Electoral Commission. The right to be outstanding for the sake of the first standard of the national Thank you.
Next today is former Senate President, current Chairman of the Board of Trustees of the People's Democratic, former Chief Servant of Naija State, former Governor of Naija State, currently the Chairman of the former governors from the People's Democratic Party, Dr. Makinde-backed. We have with us National Secretary.
And we have the Chairman Abdulrahman Mohammed. The National Secretary, Dr. Samuel Naija. The National Director, everybody. Professor Kandi Ono. Dr. Ibrahim Bala Amupitan.
And the officials of People's Democratic Party, I want to seize this opportunity to welcome all of us into this interactive meeting. This meeting has become necessary because we have received several correspondences from the various sides requesting for one thing or the other. And we are aware that the Independent National Electoral Commission is charged statutorily under the Act and under the Constitution to monitor the activities of political parties. In addition to that, we also have the mandate to conduct elections. The FCT election is coming up on the 21st day of February 2026, while the Ekiti election, Off-Circle election, will be coming up in June 2026 and that of Osun in July 2026. And as a build-up to these elections, we had issued our own schedule of activities to all the political parties. And we are on course to ensure that we have a very smooth election at the area council of FCT and at Ekiti and Osun states. We have decided to invite all the parties, especially the fact that we have received conflicting correspondences from the People's Democratic Party. And we felt that this rubbing minds together will be a good opportunity for us to forge the way forward concerning the elections. And I'm happy that this morning we have very top officials that are present here so that we can discuss as a family and see how the issues can be resolved and we'll move forward. We are guided by the provisions of the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Electoral Acts, and the regulations that have been made by INEC pursuant to the provisions of the Constitution as well as the provisions of the Electoral Act 2022. So we are mindful of the need for us to maintain the sanctity of the Constitution of Nigeria, which is the ground norm, as well as the Electoral Acts and the guidelines. Actually, INEC sits on a tripod, three legal regimes: the Constitution, the Electoral Acts, and the regulations that have been made. So we are determined to ensure that we follow the provisions of the various laws, Constitution, and the regulations that we have made. So without much ado, I want to welcome every one of you, and I request that we should have very, very frank discussions and to ensure that we are able to achieve the objective of this meeting. So thank you very much and God bless you.